Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Charan here. I hope everything is going good in your life. So let's not wasting time, let me show you the product Prime Stocks. So firstly, I am giving you a very big thank you that you are watching my review video, you are giving your time to watch my video basically. So this is the review page of this tool. The most important thing is you can click on the video description link. From there you will be redirected to this page, and from this page you can click on this button, or there are two more buttons given inside this page. You can click on them to get redirected to the product sales page, and from there you can purchase the product with my best bonuses, like best bonuses, and the bonuses will be related to the images, the videos and that kind of stuffs. I am promising you. So I will reveal the bonus on the last part of the video. Let me show you the product now. So this product is, as I have written on the title, that 5 million products, approximately 5 million products. Let me show you that 3 million plus images and 1 million plus HD stock videos and 4K plus 4K images, also stock footages, 50,000 plus 20K plus vector images, 5,000 plus royalty free audios, and everything in a pack. In a nutshell, this product is a combination of all of the stock footages, GIFs and all stuffs. Let me show you from the images section. Let me type balloon. Okay, I hope, sorry so it will take some time and you can see. So let me try something harder. So Amazon, maybe I hope some sorry, I was hoping this kind of images, like not the Amazon company but the Amazon forest, rainforest. So as you can see, this kind of footages, this kind of images and stock footages are also available inside the HD video section. And if you upgrade this tool, if you upgrade into Pro, then you will be available with the 4K videos and HQ sounds. Okay, if I am not wrong, let me show you from the video section the dog videos. These are very cutie dogs. That is why I am saying that if I am not wrong, the dog videos are really cute. So you can see here, and inside animated GIFs you can use your memes, like digital memes, using animated GIFs. Like let me put here anything like ant. I hope any ant is available inside animated. So you can see here the ants animated GIFs are available and totally free, and you can find your icons, like inside icons the vector type images, the stickers are available, the stock videos and images. Stock videos and images are really good to use inside your YouTube videos. Okay, these are the animal backgrounds, blur, like inside your presentation video, inside your business purpose videos, you can use them very easily. Inside the front end product you will be given that, and if you purchase the upsells, these PowerPoint templates, these green screen videos, these animated characters will be available inside the upsells. And let me show you something more, that I have showed you the sound section because it is the premium version. Inside premium version, inside the Prime Stocks sounds version, the HQ sounds will be available. So inside the HD images, let me search something new like candy. So if I'm searching candy, I can very easily use the editor, their drag and drop editor. Okay, sorry, let me click on the drag and drop editor. So if you click on start editing, a new page is opening, but I think inside your tab a new page will be opening. I am not exactly sure. For the Chrome extension, maybe so for the Chrome user it will open in a new tab. This is kind of new window inside Firefox Mozilla, so it is taking some time, but once it will be open you can easily edit them. Like you can see here, the premium version editor is available, like the Adobe Premiere Pro stuffs. This is kind of drag and drop. You can use the blur tool and everything. Like you can see here the blur tool, the add text feature, like not any junky editor, like premium editor I was talking about. I was trying to tell that this is a premium editor, you can see here. So apart from that, everything is like pretty much hard to me. I am not a image editor, like I have not learned that much image editing and that kind of stuffs. Okay, so that is the thing I want to say. This is the thing. And from this page you can get the tool with my bonuses. Let me show you now that steps also. Like this is the definition and some quick features, and inside front end, if you are just facing the maximum price, you can use this coupon code like prime off to get 10% more discount, 10% discount. And these are the features inside basic and inside premium. I think the price will be 37 bucks, but for any reason, for no reason I have written it 47. I have noticed that it should be between 37 to 47. After some time it will be 47, so I have not taken any risk. I have put here 47 exactly. And obviously 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee available. You can use the trial, you can use it as a trial. Okay, so these are the funnel. You can purchase the funnel also if you want to get more bonus like mega bonus box. So these are the bonuses. The first bonus is vidmonial, and second bonus is 3 sales video, the presentation template. It is logged inside this. You can see here inside this you can get from here, from my website, and vidviral and video script and video alchemy and video sales factory, vidmobile, and some vendor bonuses. Like these are the exclusive bonus from the vendor. You can purchase the product from anywhere you want. You will be given the default bonuses and you can use them very easily. So that was the product and also vendor bonus, my bonus for our front end. And if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given mega bonus box with 350 plus stuff, like the software pack, like the plugins, like the high quality graphics I have written here, doodle character images and music tracks obviously. And that is the thing, right? Totally with resale rights. The music tracks are totally with resale rights. So that is the thing. You can click on the button, the final call button, and you can purchase the product from the sales page. And don't forget to click on the access affiliate bonus button. Okay, so that was the product. I am signing out for the day. I am thanking you once again that you have given your time. So have a good day. Bye bye.